How to change default audio and subtitles for TV shows on Netflix. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default audio and subtitles for TV shows on Netflix using your phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta open the Netflix application and start playing any TV show or episode. Next, you're going to tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the playback controls. Then you're going to tap audio and subtitles option at the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see two columns. One will be audio and the other will be subtitles. So you're going to first select the audio that you wish to change. For example, right now you can see it's Korean. If you wish to change into English, simply click on English. And if you wish to change the subtitles to English as well, simply click on English. Then you're going to head over and press cross at the top right corner, and Netflix will save these preferences and use them for future episodes whenever those language options are available. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.